What is man without the beasts? If all the beasts were gone, men would die from great loneliness of spirit, for whatever happens to the beasts also happens to man. You must speak straight, so that your words may go as sunlight into our hearts. So live your life that the fear of death can never enter your heart. Each one must learn for himself the highest wisdom. It cannot be taught in words. Each man is good in his sight. It is not necessary for eagles to be crows. Those who have 1 foot in the canoe, and 1 foot in the boat, are going to fall in the river. Don't walk behind me, I may not lead. Don't walk in front of me, I may not follow. Walk beside me that we may be as one. All things are connected. Whatever befalls the earth befalls the children of the earth. Do not grieve. Misfortunes will happen to the wisest and best of men. Death will come, always out of season. It is the command of the Great Spirit, and all nations and people must obey. Men must be born and reborn to belong. Their bodies must be formed of the dust of their forefathers' bones. When you see a new trail, or a footprint you do not know, follow it to the point of knowing. Do not judge your neighbor, until you walk 2 moons in his moccasins. Ask questions from your heart and you will be answered from the heart. Be happy in order to live long. Worry makes you sick. Seek to make your life long and of service to your people. Prepare a noble death song for the day when you go over the great divide. How smooth must be the language of the whites, when they can make right look like wrong, and wrong like right. The man who sat on the ground in his teepee meditating on life and its meaning, accepting the kinship of all creatures and acknowledging unity with the universe of things, was infusing into his being the true essence of civilization. Strength is not the only thing we must have in the world, and, in a man or a nation, it is of little use without wisdom. All plants are our brothers and sisters. They talk to us, and if we listen, we can hear them. Beware of the man who does not talk, and the dog that does not bark. Look and listen for the welfare of the whole people, and have always in view not only the present but also the coming generations, even those whose faces are yet beneath the surface of the earth, the unborn of the future nation. The more you ask how far you have to go, the longer your journey seems. Your feet shall be as swift as forked lightning, your arms shall be as the thunderbolt, and your soul fearless. When you arise in the morning, give thanks for the morning light, for your life and strength. Give thanks for your food and the joy of living. If you see no reason for giving thanks, the fault lies in yourself. Just what power is I cannot explain, for it is beyond my comprehension. Those who seek it go alone that they may be tested for worthiness. It is a gift to be bestowed not only for virtue but for prayer and courage. If an innocent man doesn't get angry, he'll live a long while. A guilty man will get sick because of bad thoughts, a bad conscience.